In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Forms with Freshsales in just 5 minutes. This useful integration allows you to seamlessly transfer information from your Google Forms directly into Freshsales, streamlining your processes and ensuring all your leads and customer interactions are impeccably organized. First, open up your preferred web browser and type in Zapier into the search bar. Zapier is an incredibly handy platform that allows you to connect over 3,000 apps and automate workflows without needing to write a single line of code. Once you find Zapier, click on the link and you'll be taken to their homepage. Now, if you already have a Zapier account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, you can easily sign up for a free account by following their straightforward instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. The next step is to create what is called a zap. A zap is essentially a workflow that automates tasks between different applications. To do this, locate and click the button that says Create Zap. This is where the magic happens and your integration adventure truly begins. In the zap creation process, you'll first need to select your trigger app. The trigger is what sets off the automation. Here, we want to select Google Forms. Once you've chosen Google Forms, move on to selecting a trigger event. This could be something like a new form response or an updated form response, depending on when you want the automation to initiate. After choosing your trigger event, you'll need to connect your Google account to Zapier. Follow the prompts, and your account will be linked, allowing Zapier access to your Google Forms. Next, it's time to set up the Action app, which will be Freshsales. In the Action Event field, choose what you want Zapier to do in Freshsales whenever it detects a new or updated Google Form response. This could be actions such as Add Note to Contact or any other tasks available on the Zapier and Freshsales integration menu. Naturally, you'll also need to connect your Freshsales account to Zapier by following a similar connection process as before. Once your trigger and action apps are set up and connected, click on Continue to move to the data mapping phase. In this step, you'll map fields from your Google form to their corresponding fields in Freshsales. This ensures the right information gets transferred to the right places. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to test your Zap to ensure everything runs smoothly. If all checks out, go ahead and publish your Zap. Now sit back and let your automated processes handle the workload. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to integrate Google Forms with Freshsales, making sure all your data flows seamlessly between platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.